Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to do some work inside the Fiat. We're going to be removing this armrest right over here. Now I'm not too sure how we're going to do that, so I'm going to look around, poke around, see what's up. Obviously, yes, the car is still very dirty. It's crowded inside. There's a lot of stuff. Kind of the Fiat's been sitting around, so it is going to be making an appearance back on the channel. You can see that Lambo door is up in the air, so got it kind of adjusted, dialed in to the left side. The right side I'm still very iffy about, but today we're going to be installing a little tiny part, and that's going to be this right over here. So judging by this, kind of looks like the arm just pulls outward, so let's find out how that works. So these cars are very infamous for the little plastic clips to be breaking off for the armrester, but looks like there's some little V-band right over here, so we're gonna just snap this off and see what's up underneath. Alright, so basically a little more into detail, guys. So I thought this was a clip, but basically you're gonna pull this down and there's gonna be a nice little, let me see if I can find it. Well, basically I probably lost it inside the seat, but if you push this in further enough, you're gonna see a little bit of a V-band clamp, and that V-band clamp is gonna hold this guy down into its cylinder wall. So you're gonna basically get a little bit of a pliers or a flathead and whatever you got on hand, and then basically pop it up. This thing got some mad grease on me and everything. That's gross. So it was a little sketchy, but basically I got the back of the ratchet right over here, gave a little bit of a pounding, but now looking for the side view, it looks pretty sick. Just got to pound it in there. Basically there's a little slot where this guy kind of slides in and then locks into place, and the plastic one's a little bit bigger, but basically when you shove it in the hole, it kind of expands the little plastic washer inside the seat and it kind of holds into it. So that's basically how to do it, guys. Really quick, simple, easy mod. Took maybe about 5 minutes to do it. Obviously, yeah, ripped apart the handle. Probably didn't need to rip this part off, but then again, it's already broken. Don't need it. Don't ever gonna need it. And yeah, comment down below if you need any help. Basic tools to do this. All you need is probably something to tap with, like a hammer type thing, and then some pliers to help remove that little clip that goes right over there. Once again, just kind of pull the stick all the way down until you get access to the back part, which is going to be that little slit right there in the very back. Let me see if I can pull it out. Right there where my finger is at. That little slit right there. So that little crevice is going to be your best friend where the clip lays at. Pop it off with the pliers, and then you'll be able to remove everything just like that. I think it's easier to break it off too, so we have some more room so you can reach, because obviously this is all going to be in the way. So nice little delete kit, looks really clean. I like it. Alright, as always, guys, stay safe, stay chill.